building alongside your work. Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to my brothers and sisters in Islam around the world. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening wherever you are. If you're watching live or replay, comment where you are watching from. My name is Bijal. I'm a full-time mom of 7 and a digital business owner from Australia. And my husband works intrastate. Today, I want to share you this. You don't need to quit everything to start building something different. Sometimes people think they only have one option. Work harder, work longer, or stay depending on one financial source. But what if you could start building something alongside your current work, your family life, and your daily responsibilities? Something that gives you another option. Something that helps you learn new skills. Something that can grow over time. Something that supports your future freedom. Because life is not just about surviving bills. It's about creating choice. For me, my journey opened my eyes. I realized I didn't need everything perfect. I didn't need extra hours. I needed a simple guided system I could follow in my small pocket of time. Before school runs, after school, after house chores, at night, during quiet moment. This is not about quick success. This is about building with intention. Because when you only depend on one source, your option can feel limited. But when you start learning how to build something online, you begin creating possibilities, more flexibility, more growth, more direction, more freedom for your family. So if you've been thinking there has to be another way, maybe this is your sign to start learning. You don't have to do it alone. You just need guidance, consistency, and willingness to begin. If you want to see how it works, comment info or visit my link. And I'm here to help you and to guide you to success. I'm your future mentor, Bijal. Thank you for having me. Have a good one. Bye!